Suana built-in conductor slot, equipped with high-quality copper strip for conduction, compatible with various square tube sizes on the market, compatible with 25 multiplied by 25 square tubes, compatible with 30 by 30 square tubes, compatible with 30 multiplied by 50 square tubes, compatible with 30 by 60 square tubes, compatible with 30 by 70 square tube, compatible with 30 by 80 square tube. Easy installation. Insert the built-in conductor slot into the square tube. It can switch between single row or double row conductive holes. Connect power to V and V. Typically red wire is positive, black wire is negative. Install the connector plug on the shelf bracket. Once the wire is inserted into the shelf light, it will light up. Place the wire in the side groove for a hidden and neat look. Align the shelf bracket and shelf, then lock and fix with screws. Install the shelf onto the upright post. It lights up instantly and can be freely adjusted. Suitable for various shelf types and high-end display racks. Conceal the power track system. Overall appearance is more aesthetically pleasing. Suana specialized lighting solution designed for shelves.